So, do you want to start your own pressure washing business in 2025? I started mine in 2023, and in a little over a year, I have gained over 30,000 followers and subscribers on all social media platforms. Today, my business is booming, and I'm just getting started. So I'm going to give you 5 essential tips that's going to help you do the same in 2025. Tip number 1, leverage social media from day one. Social media is your best friend. Trust me, it is a game changer. I built my following of 30,000 followers and subscribers in a little over 12 months by sharing every job, tips and transformations. Platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. For some reason, people love pressure washing content because it is so satisfying to watch. Tip number 2 is master your craft. If you want to stand out, you've got to know your stuff. So before you start spraying everything in sight, get trained or have some knowledge of how to properly pressure wash different surfaces. 2025 is going to be more competitive than ever, so you'll need to be the person who customers trust to get the job done without damaging their property. Tip number 3, focus on customer experience. It's not just about blasting dirt off the surfaces, it's about the experience you give your clients. In 2025, customer service will set you apart from the crowd. Be friendly, communicate clearly, and go the extra mile to make sure your clients are happy. Respond to inquiries quickly, show up on time, and leave their property better than you found it. I always say word of mouth and online reviews will drive your business way forward. Tip number 4, don't undervalue your service. This is probably the most important one in my opinion. Pricing yourself too low is one of the biggest mistakes new businesses make, and it ends up them folding their company not long after. In 2025, people are willing to pay for quality service, so don't sell yourself short. Do your research on pricing in your area, set your rates based on the value you provide, not what people think you should charge. Charging too little will hurt your business long term. A little tip on that, you could offer package deals or monthly subscriptions for recurring services, which can also help boost your income. And lastly, tip number 5, build systems to scale. So don't think about surviving, plan for thriving is my speech on that. If you want to grow fast, like I did, you need systems in place from the start. Use a scheduling software, automate your invoicing, and track your expenses carefully. As your business grows, these systems will save you time and keep you organized so you can focus on scaling instead of just keeping up. And lastly, guys, if you are really serious about starting your pressure washing business, hit my subscribe button. I will help you grow your business in 2025. You do not need years of experience in the industry. All you need is some right strategies in place. I am proof that that has happened. 12 months, I have hit over 30,000 subscribers and followers on social media platforms. I want to help you do the same. Okay, let's do it together. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and yeah, all my free courses and tips are coming out before the end of 2024.